guys, what's up? I'm Meredith. Welcome back to my channel. So, truth be told, I've been hearing about this particular thing for quite some time, and I'm just not sure I believe it. But I figured I would order a couple pairs and see how they work. I bet there's a lot of you guys out there right now that are desperately wanting to get these bad boys done, but can't because of COVID-19, but I have the perfect solution just for you. Dun dun dun! Static nails, baby, just came in. I am so excited to try these guys out. That's right, y'all. Press-on nails. Press-on nails? Now, when I think of press-on nails, I think of press-on nails like when I was in elementary school and I wanted to be like a middle schooler, and so my mom got me these press-on nails that literally came with a sticker that you would put on your nail and then you would put the nail on top, and I swear anytime that you touched something, the nail came flying off. So I'm hoping that these companies have upped their game. I decided to go with 2 different shapes and 2 different colors. So the first option I got was round, and this color is called Fetish. The second pair is a little bit edgier, and I'm just obsessed with the ombre look. This is in shape almond, in color Mademoiselle. Now's the hard part. Which one do I test out first? Do we do edgy or do we do classic? Edgy, classic, edgy. So if I had to wager a guess, my guess is that these are going to be super simple to use. The directions read as follows. How to apply. Apply to clean natural nails. Wipe nails with nail polish remover after buffing if you have oily nail beds. Select the best fitting nail for each finger and set aside in order. 1. Apply a thin layer of glue to the back of the static nail. 2. Apply a generous layer of glue to your entire nail. 3. Allow the glue to tack up for about 6 seconds. Align the static nail under your cuticle and press down with your thumb. Hold and squeeze firmly for 30 plus seconds, ensuring the entire nail receives pressure. 4. Customize the length and shape with a file or nail clipper. I mean, that sounds really simple, right? Let's see if this guy can do it. So these are reusable, which I figured as much. So it looks like it says, get a perfect non-damaging manicure in seconds for a fraction of the salon cost. Wear them weeks straight or a few days at a time. And in this kit, it comes with 24 nails, a file, a buffer, and glue. So I've chosen Mademoiselle in the shape of almond, and it's about to go down. What I did do though also was I filed my nails just a touch going in so it mimics the same shape of the nail. So you don't want to have square nails before you put the almond shape on, just because you don't want to see your fingernails underneath the nail on the side. I did wash my hands one last time just to make sure my nails are clean, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Apply enough glue to avoid air pockets, secure properly, and extend wear time. The more glue applied, the longer the nails will stay on. Only apply glue to your natural nail to wear for a few days at a time. Immediately use a cloth to wipe excess glue off the static nail if overgluing occurs. Okay, you guys, they came out so good. They look like I just got my nails professionally done, so it'll be interesting to see how long they stay on for. I'm not sure I'm a fan of this length. I can always go in with a nail file and file them down to be a little bit shorter. I don't think that I'm going to do that because I don't want to lose the ombre effect of the nail polish. But if you're used to long nails, this will be no problem at all. I'm going to try the round shape as well, and they are a little bit more natural looking and a little bit shorter. So I'm just glad that they offer, you know, so many different options. Oh my God. I can't even text. My nails are so long. Guess I'm sticking with voice notes. Oh God. Okay guys, it's about a week and a half and I'm coming on here to give you a static nail update. It's been a week and a half and nails are still intact. I'm thinking that I could potentially start to pop them off because I'm just noticing like a little bit of lightness around the cuticle area, which is where you can kind of stick your finger in and pop it off. And the only other thing that I would mention is the fact that some of the polish has been coming off a touch. And I will say though that these bad boys are definitely not heat resistant. So if you're in the kitchen and you feel like you want to cook and you're grilling some bread for a tuna melt, like don't put your fingernails close to the pan because they melt. But other than that, I'm absolutely loving them. It is really challenging to do things with long nails, like wipe your butt, take out your contacts, open packages up, writing with a pen or pencil. Also picking your nose, wiping your nose with a Kleenex. No lie, the other day I had a Kleenex in my hand and my nose drips a lot because either it's allergies or because I broke my nose many years ago playing basketball. And I had a tissue in my hand and I went to wipe out my nose and I literally cut myself and made myself bleed. Only me. And so many other things. You name it, it is challenging, but after a week and a half, I'm totally used to them. They still look great. Anyways, I think that they are a solid, very solid alternative to getting a manicure at a salon, and they definitely stand the test of time. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Now the removal sounds pretty simple as well. It says gently push under the static nails to lift sides. If ready, the static nail will pop off immediately. To avoid damage and best preserve your set, never force or pull off nails. But other than that, if you guys have any questions at all, please drop them below. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.